This is the DJI Mic 2 connected to the Insta360 X4. Don't believe me? It's true. Finally possible. Bluetooth connection. I'm really surprised to see that this is possible with the X4 because, as you may be aware, with the Ace Pro or with the Ace, it's still not possible to connect the DJI Mic 2. That's a good thing to have. What do you think about the audio quality? I hope there is not too much of a delay. Let's see. Compared to the internal recording quality, it sounds alright. I was already doing a test with the DJI Mic 2 connected to the Insta360 X3, and there the Bluetooth quality was not so convincing. So let's see, maybe this one here is better. Why am I mentioning this? It's because, you know, we had so much hassle with the Ace Pro and the Ace, and now finally I think there is really hope that they will also create a stable and trustful connection between Ace Pro and DJI Mic 2 in somewhat near future, as they promised. In the end, there is hope.